Alright, in Dyana's kitchen tonight I'm gonna make some lobster combo. This is everything I'm going to use. Some lobster. This is 2 pounds of shrimps. And this is some crabs. And this is all the season I'm gonna use. I'm gonna use some Irish. I'm gonna use some corn. Alright? And this is the liquid. I'm gonna make this and show you how to make this, okay? So right now I'm gonna put this in some boiling water, okay? So follow me. Alright, so this water is already having my salt already. So you can put like a tablespoon of salt. Okay, so I'm gonna put my potato. Make sure your hands is clean, it's very important. Okay. I'm gonna put my corn in. Because these things take longer than the shrimps, okay, and the lobster. So you want to cook this thing first, okay. All right. So this is my corn. This is my corn and my Irish, okay. And what you can do, you can put some garlic. If you have like a peck of garlic, you can put a couple peck of garlic, okay? Or you can put a half a teaspoon of garlic, okay? So you can put some garlic and you can throw some lemon juice. Okay, but if you have the older lemon, you can cut up some lemon and put in it. Okay, this is some lemon juice I just throw in there. All right, so this is gonna boil. I'm gonna make this boil for around 15 minutes, not 20 minutes, because I don't want my potato to soft. Okay, I want my potato to be stern. Okay, so once this finish, I'm gonna show you next how to make your sauce. All right, okay. Yeah, this been boiling right now for around 10 minutes. Yeah, I know I told you 15 minutes, but I'm gonna take it out right now. Okay, so it's been boiling for 10 minutes. Okay, so what you do, you take it out and put it in a separate bowl. Okay, once you remove your corn and your Irish, guys, you want to place the seafood in the same boiling water for around 10 minutes. So guys, the best part is the sauce. I'm going to show you how to make the sauce. So guys, this is the liquid, okay? And this is my chicken noodle that I use to make my sauce, okay? The pumpkin mix, all right? I'm going to use 3 pumpkin mix, guys, all right? And this is my pot, guys, that I use. Okay, all right, guys. So now, guys, what you want to do, guys, you want to throw some seasoned salt, okay, or you can use the all-purpose seasoned salt, guys. You want to use some black pepper, guys. You want to use some pepper seed. You want to use some food coloring, guys. Okay, it's up to you, guys. All right, you want to use some chili pepper, guys. Okay, just to give it a flavor, okay? And strain it, guys. You want to definitely strain your chicken noodle, you know, strain it. Okay, just strain it. All right, so this right now I'm going to throw, this is pepper seed. I'm going to throw the pepper seed here. This is some scallion and this is some onion, okay? You're going to throw the onion here. Make sure they're washed, very important, okay? All right, I already throw some seasoned salt, but I'm going to throw some more seasoned salt in it. Okay, but I already throw some seasoned salt. Okay, so now I'm gonna show you what to do now, because my pot is already hot, so I'm gonna show you what to do. Okay, all right, so let's go. This is the mix. We use some butter because I want it flavorful. So I'm using some butter. If you don't want to use butter, it's fine. You don't have to use butter. Alright. And again, if you want to use some more food coloring, you can use more food coloring. Okay, so you're going to leave this to boil. You want it to come to a boil. You want it boil. You want it rich. Okay, you want it really, really rich. Okay, and in it, you're going to put you're going to put some garlic. Okay, you can put a half a teaspoon or a teaspoon of garlic. Okay. So this, you're gonna boil this for around 5 minutes. Okay. So I'm gonna boil this around 5 minutes, and then show you how it turned out. Okay. So this is the liquid. Okay. If you want to put some more pepper seed, you can put some more pepper seed. Okay. This is red pepper. All right. If you want to put some food color, you can put some food color. Okay. So this is food coloring. Okay. All right, so this is the sauce. So what you want to do, you want to dump the sauce all over this. Okay. All right, so you dump the sauce all over it. Okay. So this is it. Then what I'm going to do, I'm going to bring this and just dump it in my bowl with my Irish and my corn. Okay. So I'm going to put this now here with my Irish and my corn. Oh, it's overflowing. Woo. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Look at that, guys. Isn't that looks amazing? Oh my goodness. It's overflowing. Woo! So this is it. This is my lobster and shrimps and crab combo. Okay, and guys, don't forget, this is what I use. Okay, this is all the ingredients that I use. All right, scallion, all of this garlic, pepper, onion, seasoned salt, pepper again, pumpkin, salt. All right, if you want to use a little butter to make the sauce, scallion, all right, to make your sauce. Okay, and some chili pepper if you want to use chili pepper. All right, and don't forget to strain. Okay, so strain your pumpkin. Okay, you want to strain it. All right, so let me dish it out and see. Ooh, this is a lot. Oh my goodness, look at this. Oh my goodness. Whew. Guys, if you don't like pepper, don't put, because this is very hot. This pepper is very hot, and this is 4 pepper, plus you're gonna put the chili pepper, all right, plus black pepper, plus this already have pepper in it. Okay, look at this. Woo. Isn't this look amazing? But what you can do, guys, you can put down, cover this, woo, for around 5 minutes. Oh my goodness, guys. Oh my goodness. Woo. So guys, this is it. I know my family gonna love this. They're gonna absolutely love this. Yep. My children and my husband gonna absolutely love this, and the rest of my family. So guys, this is it. This is it. It's finished, and I'm gonna have a ball. This is it, guys. Here you go. This is it. Guys, I'm gonna do test taste. Let me test a little piece of the shrimps to see. Ooh. Oh my goodness sake. All right, let me do test this. All right, guys. My goodness, it's hot. Woo. It's good, but it's hot. One second, guys. Okay, guys. If you want me to make something, please let me know. Okay, and if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Okay, thank you for watching. God bless you. I'm going to have a ball. Woo! I am absolutely loving this. I hope you like it.